In this video, we'll be looking at how to balance out the color tones of an image in Affinity. So before starting, first of all, if you want to follow along with this tutorial with this image, please find the image in the link in the description. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, hit the subscribe button below in order to get new and helpful tips and tricks related to Affinity. Now without any further ado, let's get started. So to balance out the color of this image, we'll navigate to the right beneath the layers panel and click on the adjustment icon. And below the adjustment icon, we'll navigate and select white balance. After selecting white balance, now you can see that our current image is very warm, although it is looking nice and the overall composition is displaying a warm, balanced out color. However, we will balance this warm color by using the white balance adjustment layer. So I'll click on this particular white balance slider and then drag it all the way to the left slowly and find the sweet spot where our color will be much more balanced out in our image. So you can see that much of the warmness of the image has now been gotten rid of, and then now our image is looking much more balanced out in the value of minus 58% in white balance. So if you want to go further ahead, then we can also adjust the tint value by adding much more magenta tone to our image to make the skin tones and the overall color tone of the image much more natural. So I'll select the value to at 22% for now. And now let me close the white balance box to commit our adjustment of the white balance. So this is the before, when our image was much more warmer and had warm color tones. And this is after, where now the color tones of the overall image is much more balanced and neutral by exposing the natural and realistic skin tones as well as color from the image. So this is how you can use the white balance adjustment layer mostly in order to fix many issues like color cast issues or balancing out color tones inside of your image. So if you find this video helpful, please click on the like button, and for more tips and tricks related to Affinity, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching this video and see you on the next video.